Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to convert a YouTube video to PDF file with Designrr. Now once you're logged in, if I show you right here, if I click on this, there's actually an option to go ahead and import from YouTube. Okay, but you need to upgrade for this. But if you do have the plan, there is a workaround as well. All you need to do is come here and choose create a new ebook, right? And then what I'll do is I'll choose an ebook to be published as a PDF, and I will start writing from scratch. Okay, on the theme of, so this one is DeepSeek. This is sort of AI. So we'll do other for this one, and then I'll click on Let's Start. Now, come to the YouTube video you'd like, open up the description, and click on Show Transcript. And right here, what you need to do, so if this is off, you can just click on Show Transcript. Make sure you toggle the timestamps and just go and copy everything. Okay? Copy everything for the transcript. And then what you need to do, go back to Designrr, type everything out, right? And then all you need to do is, okay, here you go. You can choose a title as well. Okay, let's do DeepSeek Explained. Okay, and then you can go ahead and format this properly, however you like. But at the end, though, all you need to do is come here and click on Choose a Template. And there's a bunch of templates you can actually pick from. I'll go ahead and do this one right here, or you can choose these Kindle EPUB ones as well. Honestly, I'll do this for this tutorial. I'll go and use this template. Okay, and just wait for this to load up on a Designrr. Let everything initialize right here. And here we go. We have basically imported everything. And you can go ahead and format this as you like. You can add artworks, right? You can go ahead and look for things like that, shapes. So let's do AI, right? Use your keyword and go ahead and search for some artworks by icon finder, or you can do search, right? There's a bunch of icons that will actually come up. You can use them. You can use images. Like, for example, if I want to use this one, I just drag it here to the ebook. Just go ahead and do that. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and go publish this as either a PDF or Kindle, and then just click on export. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next one.